My favorite part about Impacks was that I knew that the supplies that were needed would be there. I didn't have to worry about getting something wrong or incorrect because Impacks goes directly through the school to ask them what supplies they want for the students. So then I knew I didn't have to worry about buying something that wasn't the right product and sending that to school with my child. My name is Bethany Batdorf. I have two children. My son's name is Graham. He's 7 and he goes to Mississippi Heights in Sauk Rapids, and my daughter is 4 and she's at preschool at Harvest Preschool in Sauk Rapids. The main thing that drew me towards ordering from Impacks was just the fact that I didn't have to worry about going to the store and them being out of some of the supplies that we needed or going from store to store. Just the simplicity of it was what really, drew me to it. And I also like the fact that you could donate to the school if you wanted to any extra amount of money, which I thought was, a great feature to using Impacts. We ended up donating because I thought it was just a good way to give more to the school too. So, if one of my friends or family members was considering ordering the school supplies through Impacts, I would definitely encourage them to do so, just because it was such an easy process and it's just a great way to go about doing it. And I plan to keep doing it over and over again because it was so simple the first time around.